Hello. Okay, let's talk about index. So index function, usually it finds out columns or row. So for example, in this case, let me show you this one. Type index. So array is basically the data set. So let's say I choose this data set, and comma, the row number is, so since this is the row number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's say I want to find out layer. So the row number 1 and column is in the first column, column 1. And then now it will it will display the first column, first row cell. Okay, next option is, let's try this one. Index. So it says reference here. Let's try the reference. So reference, when you use reference, let's say, okay, first 4 data. So we would call it area. So first area, the second area is this, and then close parenthesis, comma. Now I want to find out the second city, or maybe like second city number, this one, 26,512, second city's second row number. Let's say, okay, this is number 2. That's the row number 2. The column number also 2, 1, 2. And comma, as the area is, this is the second area, not this one. So second area, this is 2 as well. And then close it. So now the number is 26,512. Okay, if you change it to like first number, boom, it will change this one. Okay, that's index function. Thank you.